Have you ever heard someone say Buddhism isn't a religion, but a philosophy or a way of life? It's a common idea, and honestly, there's a lot of truth to it. But it's also a bit more complicated than that. So let's dive in and unpack this fascinating question. Is Buddhism a religion? First, let's think about what we usually mean by religion. For many people, religion involves a creator god, a central holy book, divine commandments, and faith in a higher power. If you use that definition, Buddhism doesn't quite fit. The Buddha, Siddhartha Gautama, was a human being, not a god. He never claimed to be divine. He was a teacher who discovered a path to end suffering and shared it with others. Buddhism also doesn't have a single, all-powerful creator god like in the Abrahamic faiths. While there are divine beings called devas in Buddhist cosmology, they're not all-powerful and are also subject to the cycle of rebirth, just like humans. So if it's not about worshiping a god, what is it about? At its core, Buddhism is a practical path. It's about looking inward. The Buddha taught that the root of our suffering comes from our own minds, from craving, aversion, and ignorance. His teachings, known as the Dharma, are essentially a toolkit for training the mind. Practices like meditation aren't about praying to a deity. They're about developing awareness, compassion, and wisdom. This is why many people see it as a science of the mind or a practical philosophy for living a happier, more peaceful life. You don't have to believe in anything in a dogmatic way. The Buddha himself encouraged his followers to question his teachings and test them out for themselves, like a scientist testing a hypothesis. However, if you look at how Buddhism is practiced by millions of people around the world, it definitely looks like a religion. You'll find temples, rituals, chanting, offerings, and monks and nuns in robes. These traditions provide a sense of community, structure, and devotion. For many practitioners, faith, or saddha in Pali, is a key component. It's not blind faith, but rather a confident trust in the path, the teachings, and the community. It's a trust that grows from personal experience and practice. So, you have these religious elements that support the philosophical and psychological practices. Ultimately, trying to force Buddhism into a neat little box labeled religion or philosophy might be missing the point. It can be both, and it can be neither. It really depends on your definition and your personal approach. For some, it's a deeply devotional spiritual path. For others, it's a secular set of tools for mental well-being. And for many, it's a beautiful blend of both. Perhaps the best way to think about it is that Buddhism offers a path to understand our own minds, to cultivate kindness, and to find lasting peace. Whether you call that a religion, a philosophy, or a way of life doesn't change the journey itself. What matters is taking the steps. What do you think? Is Buddhism a religion to you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.